A netlist lists all electrical connections in a circuit. It helps you create an accurate PCB layout and verify connections during testing. Let's see how to generate a netlist in KiCad. Once your schematic is ready and all footprints are assigned, it's time to generate the netlist. Go to the Tools menu and select Update PCB from Schematic. This step exports all the net connections from the schematic to the PCB layout. In the dialog, enable these options. Erasing footprints to schematic symbols. Delete footprints with no symbol. Replace footprints as per schematic. Delete or replace footprints even if locked. Verify the changes to be applied. Click Update PCB. KiCad will show a list of components being added or updated. Check the message box and ensure the errors are 0. Sometimes warnings can be ignored. Close the window. Now, the netlist from the schematics has all been imported. To export a netlist separately, go to File, click on Export and then Netlist. Choose the desired netlist format like Allegro, Pads or KiCad. We'll select KiCad format for this example. Select the desired location to save the file, give it a name and then click Save. To import a netlist into a PCB file, go to File, click on Import and then Netlist. Browse and select the saved file. Click Load and Test Netlist to check for errors and warnings, and then click Update PCB. You've successfully linked your schematic and PCB layout using a netlist. Next, let's see how you can generate a bill of materials from the same schematic. Go to Tools and then click Generate Bill of Materials. Select the desired location to save the file and name it. The generated BOM includes part details like footprint, DNI, description, and manufacturer. Choose the desired output format and click Export. A BOM file will be generated at the selected file location. That's how you generate, export, and import a netlist and BOM in KiCad. Download our KiCad design guide to learn more. Follow us for more PCB content.